Hey everyone, my name is Aki, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Squid Game-inspired dashboard using HTML and CSS. If you love the show or just want to learn some cool UI design tricks, stick around because this is going to be awesome. Here's what we'll be building. A stylish dashboard featuring bold colors, stats, and buttons inspired by the iconic Squid Game design. Let's get started by creating a folder for our project. I'll name it Squid Game Dashboard and open it in Visual Studio Code. Inside the folder, I'll create a new file called squidgame.html, where all our code will go. Let's start with the basic HTML boilerplate. We start with the basic HTML structure. First, we'll create a container for the dashboard. Then, add a header section with the Squid Game shapes and a title. Next, we create a stats section with placeholders for player count, games, and prize money. Finally, we add buttons for starting and stopping the game and viewing game info. And here's the final result, a Squid Game-inspired dashboard that's visually stunning and easy to create. The hover effects and gradients bring it to life. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed building this Squid Game-inspired dashboard with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more exciting projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and happy coding.